So when working in Blender with modifiers, sometimes you want to turn off their visibility so you can change the underlying model without actually taking the modifier off of the object. And you can see right here, I have a solidify modifier on my object. So that's giving it some thickness. And I do want to change some things about the model itself before applying this solidify. And that is possible, but first I need to see my original model behind that modifier. So in order to see it, all you have to do is go over to your modifiers view and find the modifier that you are trying to toggle with. And you're going to go right here to this button, real-time display modifier in viewport. Click that and voila, I can see my original model. Like I mentioned, there's no thickness, so that's the difference, and I can make those changes and then go back to the right-hand side, turn it on, and see how that affected how the modifier is applied. So that's it. I hope this helped. Please join me for more videos in Blender and beyond.